You have a vision. An idea arises in your mind and calls for realization. The only one who can bring these images alive is you. You strive to break new ground, to track down something previously undiscovered, to give your creativity full freedom. May we introduce a new tool that we have developed so you can capture your story, the CGO4. The Tornado H920 with CGO4 is the perfect combination for filming extra brilliant 4K footage from the air. The optical zoom lens from 14 to 42 mm lets you show everything or focus on what's most important. The integrated touch display shows you a live image of the camera. Change the focal length with a single swipe. Create astonishing aerial shots. Outdo yourself. But that isn't all. Use the interactive touchscreen to focus perfectly on one single spot within mere seconds. With only the touch of a fingertip, we want to make sure that cinematographers can adjust everything they need for a professional job. The device allows you to adjust all settings in detail, including the video mode, white balance, aperture, ISO up to 6400, shutter speed, image format, and more. All in real time during the flight. The CGO4 gives you, or a second camera operator, everything you need to control the camera image even better. Make 360-degree pans, vertigo effect zooms, and imposing maneuver highlights of your film. The CGO4 gives you a wide range of fantastic facilities. Thanks to its perfect interplay between technology and software, your Tornado CGO4 combination will be ready for takeoff within minutes. High-quality aerial filmmaking has never been so easy and yet so limitless. The sky is no longer the limit. But there's even more to the CGO4. The CGO4 does not limit you to the air. You can use all the same functions on the ground, too. The CGO4 was designed in close cooperation with Panasonic, ensuring that the high-quality standard and user-friendly application are a key priority. The new Tornado CGO4.